Hello, so today we are going to make another homemade protein shake with no supplements. So a very quick and easy one. It's banana and cherry flavour. Now what I've got here, there's 250 ml of semi-skimmed milk. And as I said the last time, you can use skimmed milk if you're needing less calories, or if you're needing more calories, use whole milk. That is 15 grams of skimmed milk powder. And you'll just find that in with like the UHT milks and things in the supermarkets. It's very, very easy to get. 50 grams of cherries. Now I'm using frozen cherries purely because it makes it colder and I like a colder shake like that. You can use fresh if you want to, but the frozen ones are really good. Keep in your freezer and you've always got them there for a flavour enhancer if you want it. One banana, a pinch of salt, and one raw egg. Now I said the last time about raw eggs, as long as you're not pregnant and as long as it has the line stamp on it, then it's completely safe to eat raw. Now with putting the salt in it, it's very, very good for recovery. So if you have been exercising, putting salt in it will really help you with that. If it's just purely for the shake and the protein and the drink, then you can leave the salt out, but because I've been to the gym and want to replace the salts that I've lost in sweat, so I've put salt in it. And again, this is why it's really good to make it yourself, because you can tailor it to your needs. Whereas if you buy it in supplement form from a shop, you have to just have what's there, unless you just add salt to it. But much better doing it this way, and it's a lot cheaper as well. So whiz that up. Change the lids, that way I can keep that in the fridge if I wanted to for next time, but because I've just been to the gym, I'm just going to drink that just now. It's absolutely delicious, really big fan of cherries, and the combination between the cherries and the banana really complements its smell. So I'd highly recommend that. Like I said, you can make it in advance, keep it in the fridge, or just whiz it up, and then you've got a delicious shake that has 23 grams of protein and about 340 calories. So very, very good. Cheers.